Hello, welcome, and thank you for your interest in the registration for the upcoming Congress of the International Society for Human Pathology. I'm Laura, and I'm going to be your guide throughout this tutorial. We will be going through the registration process together, and I will give you some more details about the activities we have planned and also the merchandise on offer. So let's jump right into it.
In the first step, you can choose between 5 possible options of attendees. Please choose the option that best applies to you. For some of these, you need a specific code to go through with the registration. This is the case for the officials and speakers as well as the student first author category. In this case, please submit your code and continue with the registration. As for everyone else, please follow the shown procedure. What you can see now is the next level. To complete it, please select every activity you want to be a part of and fill out the needed information. Before the Congress officially starts, Richard Husky will present a free workshop and lecture on neutralistic neuroimagining in communication science. You could call it the pilot episode of the actual Congress, in which you can gather first insights and a hand-on experience in Richard Husky's research field. Please be aware that only a limited number of people will get to attend it due to the restriction of participants. So, first come, first serve. This is me telling you bluntly to register now. Second on the list is the welcome reception. In this, you get to meet everyone for the first time and get to sit down and enjoy some snacks, wine and coffee. On Tuesday, you can either go to the beer garden or join the wine tasting. Those two activities will be held at the same time, so unless you succeeded in cloning yourself, you can only attend one of these. A beer garden is a type of restaurant in Germany. The beer garden you will be attending is right next to the Würzburg residence. Here you get to enjoy beer, soft drinks, wine and some food. The wine tasting is exactly what it sounds like. You get to test and drink different wines and a snack plate will be served alongside it. Enjoy the evening at the State Court Cellar, which is located in the midst of the Würzburg residence. On Wednesday, we offer a night guard city tour. While enjoying a warm summer night, you will be roaming around the city with a night guard that will show you Würzburg's beautiful sights and tell you more about its history. Thursday, we have something special in store for you, a boat trip to Weizsäckheim. The garden surrounding Weizsäckheim Palace is considered to be one of the most beautiful Rococo gardens in Europe, and the palace itself is also known for its beauty and magnificent interior. Last on our agenda is the conference dinner at the Nikolaushof in Würzburg. This dinner will not only come along with a beautiful view, but also a DJ and an after party to celebrate the conference and commemorate the past days. Join us at the conference dinner and let's have a fun night! The option below it only concerns you if you have an associate person to come along with you. Do not include yourself in the number of quantity while checking this box. This is the part where you provide us with all the necessary information to successfully register for the Congress. And right after this, we've reached the final stage. If you plan to take your child with you to the Congress, please be aware that we offer a babysitting service during the time of the scientific program. Now we only have 4 steps left for you to reach the final goal of registering for the Congress. Select the version of Book of Abstracts you would like to obtain and select your dietetic preferences. If you check the box of the omnivorous option, you will always be served the meat course. Please always indicate which option you want to be served, additionally to any dietetic restrictions or allergies. Finally, we challenge you with the task of deciding on buying the conference t-shirt. Please note that the picture we are showing you is only a draft and the actual color might differ from this. Lastly, select your payment method and join us in Würzburg on the 25th until the 29th of July.